out here and
Change.
it went behind the sofa.
I wonder what it was.
Oh, it's laying behind your head.
Oh.
What was it?
Money, I think.
Yeah, it's money.
You open my window.
He's a monkey.
Where'd you go?
Right there.
I don't have anything in there. It's all gone. Or you little silly.
That's where the garbage goes.
What are you gonna do with it?